Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. I am Brittany, aka Just BTV, and if you're old here, welcome back girl. I am so happy to see you. If you're new here, you're gonna want to subscribe, because on this channel we talk about all things beauty, fashion, DIY, pretty much everything I love to do. I show you how to do it. And today we're bringing you a cute summer hairstyle. Of course it's crochet, because crochet hate to see me coming. We did a sew-in like one of the past videos, and girl, I am so happy to have crochet back in my head because it is just my favorite type of hairstyle. But you know, we gotta be creative. This hair is sponsored by a company called Ywigs. We've worked with them plenty times before. They have beautiful hair, and it is their feather crochet and body wave, and look how gorgeous. Now, of course, I'm going to give you more details on the hair with the hair install. This hair is a braided style, and for summer, we're going braids. We're going to be doing braids, styles, back-to-back individuals, cornrows, everything. So again, you're going to want to subscribe, okay? Because I'm going to be bringing you the hairstyles, okay? But I definitely like to test the hair out, okay? So this hair gets taken through there. Don't get it twisted. So I did this beautiful Fulani hairstyle, and it turned out really, really good, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Of course, it's crochet. All crochet, just with the braids. So it's the best way to get a Fulani hairstyle without having to do a sew-in, without having to do all braids. Because, girl, I refuse to sit for a whole head of braids. I just can't do it no more. So crochet has literally saved my life. And I know it's going to save yours too. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So I'm trying to decide, do I want him to go to this side or this side? Probably this side. So that means I need to part out the front part. And I like to use this to help make the parts like clean. So this part is actually going to be crochet. Okay, now let's go back to parting this part. That's as good as it's going to get. So I'm going to clip that to the side. See why these packs come in handy? They come with all this stuff in here, so you don't even have to find anything else. We're going to start with this hair right here. Now on the picture she has 4. I might do 5. So here's the first braid. We're going to put a little bit of edge control. I don't like to put a lot of edge control just because I don't like for my braids to have a lot of product on it. Sometimes I use this when I want a little bit more control, but I don't think I need that much. So I'm just going to do the same thing for these ones until they're all done, and then we're going to move on to these ones. That looks more on track to what we're going for. Now all we have to do is braid these going from here to here, which might be a little awkward because my hands have to be braiding this way, but we're going to figure it out, girl, in real time. It's looking so good. I like it so much. It's going to be so cute. Just what I was looking for. Just what I wanted. So we are all done with the braids. They look so good. And again, I just left the ends because we're going to braid in some crochet hair. The hair is from Ywigs. It is their body wave hair in 22 inches. And I have 6 bundles. And of course, I'm going to link everything down below. All the details of the hair, products, everything, so on and so forth. And I'm just going to braid it into these, but I'm going to do that last. I think I'm going to go ahead and do the base of the crochet, and then we're going to focus on this part after that. And then for the crochet, all I'm going to do is I'm going to braid these going back. I'll probably do about 4 straight backs right here, and then I'll do the rest all going straight back, and then we'll connect them at the bottom, pretty much. I don't think I'm going to be putting them up in a ponytail. I don't want to have any hair out, so we're just going to have to wear this hair down. No ponytail, because I'm going to have to leave the hair out if I want a ponytail. If you want a ponytail, if you want this to be a Fulani where you can put up a ponytail and want it to look like your hair in the back, then leave the perimeter out on this side and this side, but I'm not going to do that. We're just going to have to go with it, because again, this is supposed to be a protective style, no heat. We are all done with the braids. Don't mind this part. I burnt myself. Yeah, casualties of doing my hair. But they look so good. This is the base for the crochet. Now that's probably not perfect, but it doesn't have to be. It's going to be all covered up with the hair. This hair has the little strings, just like that. And you are going to stick your crochet hook all the way through. Hook it on the string, close the latch, pull it through. Just falling down. And you don't have to twist or anything. You're just going to grab the rest of the hair. Make sure you hold the string so that way it can catch on the string. And you're going to pull. That's one. And you're just going to do the same thing around the entire head. I have plenty of hair, so 6 bundles is enough. Now I crocheted all the hair in the back. We're going to finish this off by just braiding in some of the crochet hair to these braids just to complete the look. And I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to actually take 2 pieces like so. Let's go to the back one. Let's do the back one first. And you see I just braided it to the base of it. And then all I'm going to do is I'm going to just feed the hair in. That's it. And how I feed in the hair is pretty simple. I'll just take it with the string, line up the string like this. You got your 3 pieces for your braid. 1, 2, 3. You're going to take this 2 pieces and you're going to put it right underneath, and you're going to put this left piece with this middle piece and this one with the right one. Okay? Then you're going to continue to braid like normal. You're going to braid it all the way down till you get to the bottom of your hair, depending on how long your hair is. And then you're just going to tie a slip knot. And there you have one braid. So you're just going to continue to do that with the rest of the hair. Now we are all finished. This is what it looks like. So cute. I kind of changed up these braids a little bit. At first they were going like straight across. I didn't like how that looked on my forehead, so I kind of brought them around a little bit. I felt like that was just a little bit more flattering. And I also showed you how I did one braid, but I end up doing a few, like you would do like a miracle knot where you would braid it. You would just braid your hair down and you would add the hair to the bottom I did that for a few too, so each way works. Short video, I show you that part about doing like a miracle knot. So check that out. Other than that, this is how it looks. It looks so good right now. This looks gorgeous. Giving like French curl, don't you think? I wasn't expecting it. It is body wave, but I was expecting it to be a little bit, I mean, I guess it is body wave. The other hair that I had used that I thought it was going to be similar to was more of a deep wave, like a loose wave. This is more of a body wave, and it's I think it's giving body wave. It's giving body wave. The hair is so pretty. It's so soft. And the hairstyle turned out really, really cute. The hair on the left side is what it looks like before I washed it, and the one on the right is after. The hair is visibly looser, but still gorgeous nonetheless. So girl, I hope you love the video. If you have any questions, any comments, feel free to leave it down in the comment section below. I hope your hair turns out great for this summer. If you're gonna try this hairstyle, let me know. I would love to know how it turns out. Of course, I will leave everything in the description box below. Hair, details, products, all that, so that you can make sure that you can get the hair right. Okay. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you're feeling friendly, hype this video up. And also, you can follow me on my social media channels, JustBeTV and JustBeTV.beauty. I have both on all platforms, girl. I am busy. But if that's it, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!